there, Mike, you had a bit classes there. That bit, yeah.
John, have you ever had a fit to fireworks?
No.
Ain't you?
No.
My mum did.
It's only these strobe lights where...
It's only the
Like
the
strobe.
theatre strobe lights
Yeah.
that set him off.
Karen does, normally does that.
Pyrotechnic sort of strobe lighting set
Yeah.
him off. It's alright with fireworks.
Go in, Karen.
Yeah.
That's it.
Oh. Got a shiver down my spine.
Grana came on and off again.
You alright, Mike?
Yeah.
Yeah. These are quiet ones, these, aren't they? These are quiet ones, Karen. Ta-da!
I can cope with them.
It's gone on. Oh, it's gone off.
Yeah, that light, yeah.
Playing peekaboo.
Yeah.
Alright, then. Yeah. Yeah. Right. How are we doing, Andy? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 left.
Oh, 9 left.
Should we do this one?
Shot tube.
How are you doing, Jamie?
Yeah, I've got some videos.
Right. There you go. I'm gonna leave before the next one. Ah, yeah, yeah.